Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by clicking on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, and then leaving it open in the background. You can do that by hitting Home button. Now select the other one, and this time, after opening it, click on the square button to access background apps. Finally, you can click on the icon of an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and select Split Top. So sorry, misclick. Now click on the second app. As you can see, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. If you wish to change placement of them, just tap on this little area, the white one, on the dividing line and tap on this little icon. Following that, you can choose any other app or just change placement of the current ones. When you finished, click on Done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!